Welcome to another mind-blowing animal fact. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the pistol shrimp. Meet the pistol shrimp, a pint-sized creature with a superpower you won't believe. This tiny hunter wields a claw so mighty that it can generate shockwaves capable of stunning or even killing its prey. When the pistol shrimp's claws snap shut, it creates a cavitation bubble that collapses with an explosion of energy. The resulting shockwave reaches temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. This phenomenon, known as sonic weaponry, makes the pistol shrimp one of nature's most incredible hunters. So, next time you're at the beach, keep an eye out for this miniature superhero of the sea. Stay curious and stay tuned for more mind-blowing animals.